Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is we couldn't install this update but you can try again, and the error code is 0x80070002. So if you are receiving this error code while updating Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix this, first of all go ahead and run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, and then go to update and security, and then click on troubleshoot, and then click on additional troubleshooter, and now select Windows Update, click on it, then click on run the troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run this command. So copy this command is provided in the video description. Open command prompt, so type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then paste the command over here, then hit the enter key. And once this is done, you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 10 once again. Still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and restart Windows Update service. For this, go to the start menu. In the search box, go ahead and type in services in Windows search box, then click on services. Now find Windows Update, so scroll down. Now over here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update and make sure startup type is set to automatic, and then click on apply. And if start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. And with Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service, and then you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 10 once again. Still you are facing the problem, you can go ahead and perform Cleanboot. For this, type in system configuration in Windows search box, then click on system configuration, then go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here first, and then click on disable all, then click on apply. OK. Now restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Now in case if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool to update Windows 10. So copy this link and then open this link in a browser. Over here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, run this exe file, and then you will see this screen. Click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next, and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Once the download is complete, now before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so you can click on install, and after the installation your Windows should be up to date and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.